In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your cache using Chrome's browsing history. This simple yet effective method can help resolve various issues such as slow loading pages or not being able to see updated content on websites. Let's dive right into the steps and ensure you're getting the most up-to-date experience on your preferred sites. First, open your web browser and head over to Cloudflare. Now you might be wondering why Cloudflare? Well, while accessing Cloudflare is not required for clearing your cache, it's often used when working with websites and online content, which makes understanding its role beneficial when considering broader internet usage and troubleshooting. Next, let's take some decisive action. Navigate to your Chrome browser's history. You can do this by either clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser window, selecting History, and then History again, or simply using the shortcut Ctrl+H for Windows, or Command+Y if you're on a Mac. This shortcut makes the process quicker, especially if you frequently find the need to access your browsing history. Once you're in the History section, look for the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. This option is usually located on the left side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll open a new window that offers different options on what data you'd like to clear. It's important to highlight that clearing certain data might affect your saved passwords and form data, so be careful about what you choose to delete. For our purpose today, we're interested in clearing the cache. Go ahead and find the checkbox next to Cached Images and Files. Make sure it's checked to ensure we're targeting specifically stored cache data. This data is what sometimes causes outdated information to load when visiting websites. After checking the cache box, you will see a button that says Clear Data or Delete Data. Click on this button. The process should only take a few seconds to complete, depending on how much cache data is present. And just like that, you're all set. There are no further steps required. You have successfully cleared your browsing cache, allowing you to experience improved performance and the latest updates on any website you visit henceforth. This quick process can be a lifesaver when troubleshooting various internet issues and ensures that your browsing remains smooth and up to date. Thank you for watching and happy browsing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital experience.